Now, today we are going to start new topic decimal. So first we have to know about the basics of the decimal. एक्चुअली डेसिमल है क्या, तो उसके बारे में हमें पता होना चाहिए. तो सबसे पहले हम डेसिमल के बारे में जानते हैं. एक्चुअली डेसिमल इज अ टाइप ऑफ फ्रैक्शन. ये एक तरह का फ्रैक्शन है. ओके, what you will learn in this fraction, what the specialty of this fraction. In this fraction you will get the numbers like this, and that number will be at the present at the place of denominator. You know fraction, for example a and b in a form, the upper is called numerator and this part is called the denominator. If the denominators are with the form of 10, 100 and the 1000, so that will be in the form of decimal. Some examples I am writing here. Example 2 upon 10, 3, 2 upon 100, 5 upon 1000. So like this you can write your fraction, and these fraction you want, when you will convert these fraction, so these fraction will convert like this. Five. One more important thing is here. So this is your decimal. These are the decimal numbers, and these decimal numbers is directly related with these fractions, because is the number of zeros is depending on the number of zeros. The 0, 1 0 is here, so after decimal you will write the number, whatever the number at the place of the numerator. So number is 2, number of zeros are 2, so you will write in this way. Don't write in this way. If you will write in this way, so that will be wrong, because after digit this 0 is not having any value. So this is also number of zeros are 3, so you will write, so you will make this number with a 3-digit number. Okay, so after decimal, number of zeros and number of digits should be equal. Next, is here 1 upon 10, 1 upon 100 and 1 upon 1000. If these numbers are here, how can we categorize these numbers? These numbers are the smaller with the ones place. Okay, so these number having a special value because of tenths times is smaller, so this number having a name tenths. This is 100 times smaller, so it is called the hundreds. This is 1000 times smaller, so it will be thousands. Okay, you can write these number in form. This is a decimal number form, and this will be 001. Okay, I hope this will be helpful for you. Now next we will see some examples. So next example, I am going to take one example. For example, if I am having 3 upon 10, so how can we write this number? 0.3. If the 3, 13 upon 100, so how can we write? 0.13. Remember it, number of zeros and the number of digits after decimal, that should be equal, because 2 digits are here, 2 number of zeros, 1 digit are here, 1 number of after decimal, 1 digit is here. Okay, next is here in the decimal. So if I am taking one number 3.124 like this, so this number, decimal number, is having a 2 parts. So this part is called the whole part, and this is your decimal part. okay, and this is your decimal, and you can say a point also, decimal or point, whatever you feel connected, whatever you feel better. So you can take any name, point or decimal. Okay, next is here, if the number is written in the form of this 4 tens, so you should know how can we write it. Means first you can convert it in this form, 4 upon 10 tens, you know, 1 upon 10. Okay, so 1 upon 10, otherwise you can understood like this also, 4 into 1 upon 10, 4 into 1, then 4 upon 10. So directly you can write in this way, and now you need to convert this number in a decimal number form, so you can write in 0.4. Next is here, if the number is here 4 hundredths, so how you will write 4 upon, you know, hundreds, it means 100 times smaller, it means the denominator will be 100. So now you will convert this 0.04. So this is the way you can change your numbers in decimal form. Okay, next, how you can represent your number on the number decimal. How can you represent our numbers uh, on the number line? Okay, so representation of decimal on number line, we will see this in a short. I am writing here, representation of decimal of on number line. Okay, so let's see, you already know the number line. So number line, we are going to start with a 0, because for example I am having a value 7 upon 10, and 7 upon 10 we can write in 0.7. This value is a positive with a positive sign, so we can make a, according to denominator we will divide the parts. So 10 equal parts we need to divide, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, so and remember it, these parts should be equal. Okay, so distance between them should be equal. So 1 upon 10, 2 upon 10, 3 upon 10, 4 upon 10, 5 upon 10, 6 upon 10, 7 upon 10, 8 upon 10, 9 upon 10, and 10 upon 10, or you can write it 1, because the same number, you know, at the denominator and numerator having the same number, so you can say 1. We need a value 0.7, so where it will lie? It will lie here. So we will give this number this place, we will represent by letter A, and the origin point or 0 we will represent by O. So you can say OA equal to 0.7. I hope do you understand about the decimal. In the next session we will see later.